First of all, I would like to welcome all the participants, dear friends. Today we are going to talk about water conservation innovation in District Bada. District Bada is a part of Bundelkhand region and it comes in the state of Uttar Pradesh. On 31st August of 2018, I went there to join as a district magistrate. Before going to join, I was having information that Bada is a water states district and this is a big problem for the Bada. And because of the water crisis, it has created many other problems. So when I went there, I took it as a challenge how to solve this water crisis problem of the Bada. So first of all, I tried to research the regions. While I was researching, I got a news item related to Cape Town. And through that news, I came to conclusion that with the public participation, we can mitigate the problem, and without the participation of the public, we can't do that. So next, we try to find out the challenges. So the first challenge was defeatist mindset. Nothing can happen. This was the mindset. Inadequate resources. To do this big job, resources was not adequate there. Due to undulations, high runoff rate, and due to high runoff rate, low recharge rate. Okay, so these are the challenges which we faced. So to find out a solution of this problem, we tried a unique people engagement solutions. So I started a slogan कि I wish to dig ponds and well in the minds and hearts of the people of the Banda. Physically, if it is not happening, it is immaterial for me, but my preference is to dig ponds and wells in the heart and mind of the public of the Banda. This worked, and slowly, people engagement keep increasing, and we got the results. So we analyzed that before 30, 40 years back, people of Mada were well connected with the river bodies, ponds, wells, and rivers. But in the last 30, 40 years, they disconnected with these natural bodies, and for the meeting out their demand of the water, they connected to the packaged water and bottled water, which resulted in the water crisis and happiness greenery reduced from the Bada. So this is the analysis of the problem, and solution lies how we should detach the masses from packaged water and bottled water, and how to reestablish the old relation of the masses of the public of Bada with ponds, wells, and rivers. So to get this solution, we devised a meticulous plan and we took steps to success. Interdepartmental monitoring committee we formed, Jal Chopal we organized in all the villages, and in that Chopal water budgeting, a new innovative concept, we tried to convince the masses. Trenching, digging around the water bodies like hand pumps and your ponds, wells, creation of new ponds, desilting and rejuvenation of the old water bodies, there are three rivers. There are three rivers, Ken, Yamuna, and Baghi. So we tried to reconnect the masses with these water bodies, that is the river. We organize Jal March. We organize Deep Dance, tree plantation on the boundaries of the farmhouses, Jal Charcha, Shairi, poetry we organize. So through these steps, we tried to take people time and again near to the water body to re-establish, to restore their old relationship with these water bodies, ponds, well, and rivers. To do that, for the first time, we organized a sensitization meeting in university, and participants were all the Lekpals, revenue officials of the village, all the secretaries of the village, and all village headmen known as Pradhans. These are the strong functionaries of the villages. So we sensitize them that if water crisis is in your village, water solution is in the villages. I used to say where water lives, in ponds, wells, and rivers. And where these bodies, ponds, wells, and rivers are found, in the villages. So if you need water for drinking or for irrigation, go to the water bodies which is situated in your village. Meaning thereby, water problem and solution both are in the village. So don't run here and there, don't come to district magistrate for the water. If you need water, go to the ponds, wells, and rivers situated in the village. For that, we sent the technical teams to Lucknow to train them. Okay, and we tried to dig trenches nearby your water hand pumps, watering hand pumps, and wells. Ideal result, what happened? That through different steps which I have already explained, Jal Chopal, mass women participation we ensured during that Chopal, we were able to create recharging capacity. Rainwater should come in that digging cavities and it should percolate to the inside the ground. So rainy water we took that way inside the earth, and it was a good experiment. Thereafter, we tried how to revive the kuan, ponds, and wells. So Hindi, kuan, talab, jiyao abhiyan. In Hindi we say revival of ponds and wells. We gave a nara, कुआं तालाब में पानी लाएंगे और बादा को खुशहाल बनाएंगे, और थ्रू दिस स्लोगन्स कि कुआं तालाब में पानी लाएंगे, बादा को खुशहाल बनाएंगे, रिवाइवल ऑफ ponds and wells, we started in a campaign mode. During the summer we did that work, and there was no enumeration of the wells situated in district Bada. I engaged my officials and they enumerated more than 7,800 wells well built were still are in district Bada. So we tried to renovate it, we tried to desilt it, we tried to decorate it so that like in past, people should go to the wells to fetch drinking water, and it was a very amazing experiment. As I have told you earlier in the very outset, Jal March, Sri Sanjay Busreddy sir came to monitor some progressive work in the Bada. We started a Jal March of about 10,000 people early in the morning at 5 o'clock for 5 kilometers, just to aware the people. Likewise, if any official will visit who visited the Bada, we tried some water activity under the leadership of that official. And it was very interesting, very enjoying, and very effective tool to serve our purpose. Comedy king, Mr. Raju Srivastava, was invited especially for this event. How to reconnect people through the comedy, and Raju Srivastava done well in this front. And through these activities of nearly 1 year, the impact net average increase in the water was around 1.34 meter. That was amazing. And there was two blocks. In consecutive previous 2 years, after rain, water was going down. It is a amazing trend. After rain, water should come up but going down. But during our work and in the following rainy season, the trend was reversed. That was the amazing result. So without any extra, without any extra resource, by public participation, by convergence of funds inputs, and by applying no cost low cost formula, we got this amazing result. And we got many awards from different forums. Limca Book of Reward registered our this action activity in their record, and we have got many awards from different levels. Government of India recognized our work. They used to organize a talk, monthly talk. We were invited to put to discuss this activity in order to spread in the whole the country. So the key to success was how to change the mindset. So we tried a convincing slogan, formula, and we tried to convince them logically. And it worked. Resource crunch we managed by convergence of available resources, inputs, funds in the districts. Basic knowledge. Basically, I belong to village. My childhood, I spent my childhood in village, so I do have the idea how a village works in tandem together. So that experience, my childhood experience, was a strength for me to get this success. Approach, we broke all the protocols. If I did a meeting, I went nearby the ponds and wells and I conducted meeting nearby, not in a meeting halls. So that was an innovation. And we tried multiple roles. If I went in the farmers to talk about the water, I became a farmer. If I went into student gathering, I become a student. That way, in multiple role, I tried to connect all the stakeholders so that we all come together to conserve the water. And there was no hierarchy. Though I was district magistrate, #1 officer of the district, but if I am wrong and anybody is advising me and his advice is better than me, publicly I used to accept so that innovative ideas should be promoted. So hierarchy was no obstacle there, and I took human approach rather than official approach. So these were the keys to success, to engage the masses, to create a movement for water. And that's why we were able to increase the water table by 1 meter 34 centimeter in a year without taking any extra fund or input from anywhere. You can, we can say, with these efforts, a movement was created. Public was convinced that district magistrate Bada is trying to solve this chronic problem for the Bada. They read the mindset of mine. How? I used to go very early in the morning at 5 o'clock for desilting inaugural on the ponds. If a district magistrate is going at 5 o'clock to inaugurate the desilting activities of the ponds, it gives a huge message because it is very unexpected activity on the part of a district magistrate. They felt that a district magistrate, son of a farmer, is trying to develop the villages. They got convinced that the district magistrate is not doing anything to show off, but by his real efforts. And before that, we had created many other examples that worked as a base. Startup innovation we did, and before that there was 90% home मतदान बांदा बने देश की शान. There was a campaign during the elections. Okay, and on 25th April, when our PM came in Banda, he started praising our this campaign. So the previous activities, result-oriented activities, worked as a base for this water movement, and this water movement resulted in enhancing the crop productivity by 18.5%. This reduced the poverty. Productivity is going up, means reducing the poverty, enhancing the income. So this way, through water conservation, and that conservation was based on three formulas, three tricks. First was how to engage, how to get active participation of the masses, all the stakeholders first. Second, how to get the convergence of all available funds, resources, inputs. And third, we took the steps which is involving either no cost or very low cost. So with these tricks, we gave a governance which led to water good governance. As a result, we got the amazing result in the form of enhancing the water table 1.1 meter and 34 centimeter. So this is all in very short of the work water conservation done in Banda. Thank you, and I am very grateful for giving this opportunity to present this innovative, this pious work done in the Banda, and it is a model for the whole country how to solve the water crisis with the help of public participation. Thank you. Dhanyavad.